Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Each piece of James Avery jewelry in our current line is guaranteed to satisfy you in every way. If for any reason an item in our current line does not meet your full expectations, just return it in new condition with proof of purchase within 60 days for a refund, exchange, or James Avery gift card.
Take our lead.
James Avery has retired several beautiful leather charm necklaces, such as the Riata leather charm necklace and the sterling silver medium twist charm necklace. The Riata leather charm necklace is a beautiful way of wearing a single charm as a necklace.
Make your mark, take our lead.
James Avery products purchased through another retailer such as Dillard's or AAFES may be exchanged for another product or returned for a James Avery gift card at any James Avery retail location if the items are in new, unused condition and you have a receipt.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Our sterling is stamped with the number 925 and the word sterling. The jewelry we made before 2004 was stamped sterling. The 925 is the international standard for sterling and means that the jewelry has at least a 92.5% fine silver content.
Take our lead.
Earring replacement. We know it's frustrating to lose a favorite earring, but we can help. Our earring exchange policy has 2 simple steps. Return your remaining earring. Purchase a new pair of earrings for half of the current price.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We are happy to solder James Avery charms for you. First-time solders of our charms are complimentary. To have a James Avery charm moved or re-soldered, there is a $5 charge for each sterling solder and a $10 charge for each 14K gold solder.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First-time solders of our charms are complimentary. To have a James Avery charm moved or re-soldered, there is a $5 charge for each sterling solder and a $10 charge for each 14K solder. If you need several charms soldered to one item, please specify the location and spacing you would like for each of the charms.
Let's help you make your mark.
To keep your leather jewelry looking its best, we recommend that you remove it when swimming or bathing in a pool or hot tub with chlorinated water, and when using any harsh chemicals, lotions or perfumes. Remove when engaged in strenuous activities as leather may absorb perspiration.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.